Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pharos token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Pharos is the first financial layer 1 for real FI, where real value and institutional grade assets circulate on chain and are composable with decentralized assets, becoming the new infrastructure of global financial for all. Pharos combines modular architecture, deep parallel execution, and built-in compliance to power real-time finance on-chain, built by the leadership and engineers from Ant Group. The project is booked by Hack VC, Faction VC, and other global TradeFi investors. Pharos token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 135.6 million PROS token. PROS token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.